In this video, I will show you how to open the CS2 console. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is of course open up Steam, come across your games library and launch Counter-Strike 2 on your device. So here we are on the Counter-Strike 2 home screen. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually enable the developer console. Before you can go ahead and open up the console, you want to make sure it's enabled. So to do that, come up to the top left hand corner and press onto the gear icon to come into your settings. From here, if you look at the top, what you're going to want to do is press onto game. And then if you look a little bit down the page, you're going to see an option here which says enable developer console. So what you want to do, if this is set to no, you want to click onto this and change this to yes. Now that's ready to go, what you can do is go ahead and open up the CS2 console. Now you can do this at any point in CS2, so whether that's on the home screen or during an in-game experience. And to do it, all you want to do is press the key on your keyboard, which is located under the escape key. So normally this has like a picture of a squiggly line on it, and what you want to do is press this key, and as you can see we have now opened up the CS2 console. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.